Sid. This way. This way. This way more. Stop. No, more. Sideways a little more. There. Stop. Stop.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tell me I got you. What's he doing? Wait, 1 sec.
Sid, pass him a noodle once he jumps in. Okay, ready?
Hey, Tommy, if we
go.
the pencil, you're gonna go deep. Here, noodle.
Yay.
I did it!
Woo!
I did it! Tommy, when you're in the water, keep your legs down. And then do that again. Tommy,
You want to do it again? Okay.
you can go down. Without a noodle this time.
All right, I'm ready. I'm watching.
See how deep you go? No, sit. Until the lattice in. No. Right where my foot is. There.
All right, Toms.
I want to see how deep you go. Okay, just go. We go like that.
Woohoo!
Good!
Yeah.
How many pencil jumps?
Good.
Tommy, you can do this fast. Mom, I'm without a noodle now. I'm going to touch
Okay.
the bottom doing the pencil. I didn't know. I'm touching the bottom. Look at this. Look at this, Tommy. I'm going to the bottom. It's easy touching. Tommy, this is the trick. So jump like this, Tommy, and then as soon as you are in the water, go like this. No, that doesn't help, Tommy. Don't do that.
Okay, wait, dude. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, no, he did that. Tony, when you're in the water, remember to keep your legs straight and your hands by your side. I did. Tommy. Tommy, like this. Tommy, move. Like this. Look.
What are you doing, bud?
Get out of the hole.
Okay, break time?
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah?
Break time.
Break time.
Just for Tommy.